All right, hi again, class. We're going to try one more example, two more examples, a little more challenging of separation of variables, and we'll see how they go. So, turn this like this. I'm going to do a little something here. We'll do yellow with, and see if this is working. Of course not. But I think I do this again, and now I'm good. All right, so let's pick an example, something like this. dy dx. Sorry about the messiness of the boogie board. 3x y plus 2. We'd kind of cross multiply right away, bringing this here. And you can see we have x's and y's together with dx. How do I bring this y term over? This one's not that hard, I don't think. This is 1 over y plus 2 dy equals 3x dx. This is going to continue similarly to the last problem we did in the last video, where we integrate. We have an ln. No u substitution really needed because there's no coefficient. And I'm going to not make an error here. 3x halves x squared plus c. C only on the right side. We put an e there. We have y plus 2 equals e to the 3 halves x squared plus c. But if you recall from the last video, I'll write it this time. That c sort of magically ends up in the front. Y plus 2. And final step, subtract that 2. By the way, if they'd given you an initial condition, and some of the homework problems might, you can then solve for c, but this is the general solution of this differential equation, which I got by separating the variables, integrating, and solving for y instead of leaving it as an ln of y problem. Okay, some problems you don't get 1 over y, then you can solve for c or solve for y. Here, when you have ln of y or ln of y plus 2, you do want to solve it for y by turning it into an equation. All right, example number 2. Let's try this. All right, y prime we know is really 2 plus x dy dx equals 3y. Cross and multiply. All right, nothing is where we want it. That's not good. Let's just divide by y and leave the 3 here. And just divide by 2 plus x. Integrate. Now what's going to happen here? Gosh, I got to think about it for a minute, but e to the ln, I believe this 3 is going to mess us up a bit. All right, so I'll do it. I'll say y equals, over here, e to the 3 ln 2 plus x plus c, which is e to the ln 2 plus x cubed. How about this? Times e to the c. Now that we have an e and an ln together, I can turn this to y equals c times 2 plus x cubed. Okay, that's the idea. You'll see some in the homework that get more challenging, and we'll go over those in class. But look on CalcChat, please, and do the best you can to complete that homework. All right, good job. And I'm stopping the video.